everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jay, and today I have a Christmas craft haul to show you. Everything is from Hobby Lobby except for these 2 sheets of craft foam. So with that said, let's just get into this haul so I can show you these Christmas crafting goodies. First, I have this foam, and it's actually self-adhesive foam, and I got it from Michael's. I got this to craft with. I'm gonna make some gingerbread, and I'm gonna use this for their bow and their, well, you'll see coming up. So next I have some charms that I got, and their fairy tale section was on clearance for, I mean, not on clearance, it was on sale for half off. And although it's not Christmas themed, I'm gonna use them to make a Christmas gift. But the first thing I got is this chain. It's just like a necklace, but look how pretty it is. Like, look at the sparkles. I don't know if the sparkles are coming across on camera, if camera's doing it any justice. It's really pretty, and I should have actually got more of these because how much was this? For $3.74. That's a pretty awesome price. So the first thing I got, so we're just getting into the fairy tale charms that I got, and I think you can probably tell what theme I'm gonna make using this, but oh, these have a little sparkle in the middle too. I didn't even see that. So this is the back and this is the front. The whole time I was just looking at the back. Let me show y'all the back. And which is pretty, but when it flipped over, I saw actually the front of this. Look how pretty this is. This is just really pretty, and everything was half off, so it was $1.50. Next, I have these roses. See, do you see the Beauty and the Beast theme coming together now? But these were $3.99, so around $2 because it was half off. But they are really pretty. I love it. I love this fairy tale section. Now these I got for another theme bracelet that I want to make. And this is going to be for Alice in Wonderland. But this was half off of $2.99, so $1.50. I can't believe sometimes the prices. Now these I got because they were fun. These were just fun. Let me flip them over. Since it's the fairy tale theme, I think these are supposed to be wands, but they look like lollipops to me. They look like star lollipops. The next charms I got are these were half off of $4.99, and I'm gonna try to get close so that you can see that they actually say Alice's Adventure in Wonderland and Through the Looking Glass. So these are gonna be so pretty added to that charm bracelet. The next charm I got I thought would be so pretty in that Alice in Wonderland charm bracelet that I'm gonna make. And this is half off of $3.49. And it has mainly the Queen of Hearts, but also it has all of the signs. Like it has the, let me show you, the spade, heart. Can you see the club? And let's see, the diamond. So they're all there. So this, I might make these all on one dangle themselves. We'll see how it comes together. And I thought, even if I don't add both of them, I wanted to add at least one of these, maybe this one because it has more red in it. But these have little playing cards in them, like little playing cards in a bottle. And they were originally $4.99, so they were like $2.50 because they were half off. But look how pretty these are. Let me try to get close up for you so you can see. How cute is that? Tiny little cards. Now this is all Christmas theme that we're getting into now. And I got these pins. Oh, that's the back. Let me show you the front. So I hope you can see in detail, like one is Max and one is the Grinch. And I'm gonna do different Christmas themed gift baskets. And one I'm gonna make is the Grinch theme. So look how cute that is. Oh, I did not notice that this was like a snow globe. And it actually has fake snow in there. I don't know if you can see that. Look how cute that is. So I got this one, and I got these little charms, and they just say Grinchy. And all of this was half off of the original price. So these were $7.49. And the Grinch stuff I noticed cost a bit more, but these were $7.49 with half off, and you get 2 of them. More of the Grinch, and I got this patch. I think it's an iron-on patch. And oh, it's from Simplicity, which is a sewing company. Yeah, it says iron on. So this was originally $6.99, so it'll be half off of that. And I thought this would be cute. I am going to add it to that basket, but I wonder what, I mean, even if we just put this in the corner of a sweatshirt, it'd be cute. So I also have this tumbler cup, and this is going to go in the Grinch basket as well. And this one ended up being $15 after the sale, But I still think that was a little still kind of high because look, there's nothing on the other side. And I've seen some other stores have cute tumblers and they're way cheaper than that. So I wouldn't recommend buying this one. So next I have this 9 Cocos of Grinchmas. Look how cute that is. And this was originally $7.99. And I got this to go in the Grinch basket that I'm making as well. And it's just different flavors of hot cocoa, but with a cute Grinch theme. Cinnamon, candy cane, hazelnut, toasted marshmallow. And I think I'm gonna try to keep some of, try to cut some of this out to use in crafting, because if you cut these out, you can use these in your crafting. But I thought this was so cute. More charms, and I could not resist these. Look how cute they look like, and they actually kind of feel like real candy canes. I know they're not real, but they feel like it. So these were $2.99 originally with half off, and these are so pretty. So I'm not sure what I'll do with them, but I just had to grab them. I also got these cute patches, and oh, these are stickers. I can't tell if these are stickers or iron on them for your clothes, but they're just got these little Christmas bulbs, and they're like fuzzy, little fuzzy stickers. Look cute. Now this was still, you know how they have things just all on sale throughout the store every week. So even though this is not necessarily Christmas, I'm still going to use it in my Christmas crafting, and it was half off of $3.99, and they're just little gemstones, and I think they're pretty sure they're self-adhesive. Oh yeah, it does say it. And you get 80 of them. Doesn't look like 80 on here, but wow. Look how pretty. I got a good amount of stickers. Stickers, oh my gosh, stickers, paper, pretty fabrics, ribbons, all of that. I love all of it. So this one was originally $3.99, and it was just all the pretty Christmas packages. And I love the colors that they put them in. And there's a lot of pink in there. I'm doing a lot of pink in my Christmas as well. But I just loved them. I had to get them. These stickers are more traditional colors, and it was half off of $1.99, but I grabbed them for $1. I did not feel like that's cheaper than Dollar Tree. So, and look at the quality, like for $1. How many of them you get? 15 of them. So these would be fun to craft with. This is that really like that clean Christmas, that's what I think of it as, like a clean Christmas. Like you could just smell the crisp, like winter snow, and just hear the snow crunch under your feet when you see like this type of Christmas colors. I had to get the bows. Bows are all the rage. Bows have always been the rage for me. These were half off of $3.49, but I just thought these were cute. Just cute little red bows. Perfect. They're foam, so these would definitely come in handy. If not for Christmas, Valentine's Day, or just whenever, you can always use some bows. These were half off of $2.49. I should have got more, and I probably will go back and look for more when I go back. But I'm going to use this for my Christmas crafting. I love that bows are like all the rage, because I'm getting all the little bow things I can grab, because I love bows. Next, I have these ornaments, and they're from the My Little Christmas section. They're actually for mini Christmas trees, but crafters, we use them in our crafting. They're good for paper crafting, and they're originally $3.49. I grabbed two of them. A tree that's going to be the Nutcracker theme. And the Rat King themed anything is so hard to find. You can always find the Nutcracker, but it's so hard to find the Rat King. And that's so funny that I want to find the Rat King. But yeah, and they already have, look at the gold glitter is already added for you. So the last part of this haul is just Christmas paper that I got. And the scrapbook paper was on sale. So of course, me loving pretty papers, I had to get some. And the first one I have is this. It is so pretty. Snow on it is actually flocked. And then it has the little gold foil. I mean, it's just that pretty, like I said, that clean, crisp Christmas that you could just smell the crisp, clean air. They only had one sheet of these, and it was $1.99. I think it actually was 40% off. It was either 40 or 50% off. I really wanted more of these. I really did. Look how pretty that is. Imagine getting a card or something in this with that flocked snow. Although this one is pretty. It's pretty too. It's just not as pretty as the one with the flocking. But I don't know if you can see. I'm just moving it around so you can see it, to see if that red foil comes across. And this is just another clean, just simple, minimal Christmas. Very pretty. Only got one of these, and it was originally $1.99. This reminds me of the Grinch. Dr. Seuss theme. Even though it's just red candy canes, I guess the way they're drawn, they look like, to me, the Grinch. But they were half off of 69 cents. And it's just, Here's more to go with that really clean, crisp theme. I don't know why I got 2 of these. These were 69¢. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Because they're thinner. Now, this is going on more with my theme. These colors. We're getting closer. And I just thought it was cute, the little envelopes. I got 2 of these. Did I get 2? Yeah, I got 2 of these. So these were 69¢. And this was just like the regular scrapbook paper thickness. But I grabbed 2 of these. Now this, let me turn it around. This, I hope I can add to some of my Christmas crafting because this is exactly the theme I'm going for Christmas. The pastels, the sweets. Add gingerbread, and it's my Christmas theme right here. Like, it's so pretty. How many did I get? I got 3 of these. I should have got 4. But anyway, so I'm hoping I can find something to do with these. This is another one that I wanted multiples of. They just only had 1. I mean, I can see why. I asked my daughter if this was a song because she plays the flute. So she was like, no, it's not a real song. I love the way it looks, but I wanted to use it because you can put it behind, like, just picture it with like any Christmas song on top of it. You could put Oh Holy Night and nobody would know. Like, who knows that this isn't, well, if you could read music. The people who can read music would know it's not actually the song. But anyway, it was pretty and I grabbed it. I wish they had more, but they didn't. And here is the last thing I got in this haul. And as you can see, it's gold foil with just white snowflakes. Very pretty, very classy. I got 3 of these. How much is this? I know this wasn't $6. Okay, this was $1.99, and it's thicker cardstock paper. So I got 3 of these, and that is the end. Look how pretty. Ooh, be dazzled by the pretty paper. But that is the end of this Christmas haul. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I appreciate you, especially if you made it this far to the end. And I will see you next time. Bye.